right, so we're starting with the Shield Trauma Kit 1P. Now when you get it, the first thing I noticed that's actually really nice about it is it comes in this airtight, like dense plastic casing. So it's airtight, vacuum sealed, nice and tight, small, and it keeps everything inside. It's not resealable, unfortunately, but at least you know everything inside is sterile. Don't have to worry about any stuff joining your party from the kit that you use. Also on the top here, it has listed what's inside, contents. We got Combat Gauze, the SWAT-Tourniquet, and some medical tape. So if you find yourself in the situation where you got to use this bad boy, the way you're going to open it is this pull tab here. So you grab that, and you're going to just rip straight off the top. You see it's coming loose a little bit right there, and just pull. Actually, my hands are a little slick right now, so can't handle this. So you grab the pull tab and rip it off. So it's nice and firm and sturdy too, so you know that it's not going to get punctured very easily or ripped open very easily unless you really, really want this thing to open. So once we get it open, take out the contents. Set the bag right there. And first up, and everything's taped together, which is nice. Kind of keeps it together, so if you pull everything out and you drop it, you don't have to worry about everything just splattering all over the place. First up, we got our SWAT-Tourniquet, which if you've heard me talk about it at all, seen anything, this is actually a very neat tool. It's like a medical rubber elastic that can work as a tourniquet. It could also be used as a pressure bandage or just wrap, but it's very, very multi-use, and it's a nice thing to have. Also, we got frog tape. This is Phokus Research's branded tape that they have. It's super sturdy, super strong. It's super sturdy, super strong. So yeah, it's good, nice little adhesive. This is also taped shut as well. Let me pull it out here so we can take a look at it. And what you got there? Now, this is like a dense kind of, essentially like duct tape, but much stronger. So you got 4 strips of that in a package, which is nice. Now this you can use to tape over, essentially anything that you would use medical tape for, you can use this. It's a lot sturdier, it's very adhesive, and it's a great tool to have as well. And then finally we get to our, my favorite thing in the world, sterile gauze. And this gauze is Combat Gauze. Now, if you've never interacted with Combat Gauze, it's sterile gauze that's been impregnated with hemostatic agent. So we've gone on this before. A hemostatic agent isn't a must-have when it comes to your sterile gauze, but it is an enabler. It assists in the gauze's purpose, which is what? Stop the bleed. So when you stuff this in, that hemostatic agent is going to help speed up the blood clotting process inside the wound. So this is great to have. And like I said, all this is very small, very compact, even without the cool packaging. If you wanted to take inventory of your stuff or whatever, or if you need to divide things up amongst pockets. Any of you guys been in executive protection, you know that when you're wearing a suit, you're kind of limited on where you can put stuff. So yeah, you can pop it open, everything's still sealed, everything's still very sterile. And yeah, this is the minimum that I recommend you run with for everyday carry. Just have on you. You got your bases covered. You got your SWAT tourniquet, you got your sterile gauze, and you got this additional adhesive tape. So this is good to go. Nice product. Again, very high quality stuff. I love the packaging. I can't get over the packaging. It's just awesome. So yeah, let's move on to the other kits.